In Mike Lewis's thinking, the real estate business shouldn't be complicated. He believes that everyone deserves a fair shake at getting the home of their dreams. And his company, Florida Mortgage Solutions Group, works every day to make that goal a reality.
Florida Mortgage Solution Group, we are a direct lender as well as a brokerage operation, so we have options. The services we offer at Florida Mortgage, from top to bottom, anything you need. We actually structure the loan for you, go over the payments with you, work on your credit, guide you through the whole lending process. We don't deny anyone. We just have to make a plan.
For millions of Americans, getting a home loan or approval for a mortgage can be difficult. This is especially true in Florida. But most people actually can get a mortgage if they have the right team looking out for them.
Florida Mortgage Solutions is best at offering the variety of products to our customers. When it comes to a mortgage, people always looking for lowest rate, they're looking for lower down payment. Some of them living abroad for national clients, or some of them want to provide as less paperwork as possible. So as we work with multiple lenders and offer multiple products, we have availability to meet their specific needs and make them happy. The mortgage matters so much, I think, because over 80% of population is just not capable to purchase a home for cash or even to put large down payment like 20-30%. So that gives you an opportunity to have a healthy living, not to pay your rent, build an equity on your home, or invest in your future or retirement to purchase an investment property and have additional income. The biggest hurdles to obtain mortgage or loan, I would say, is to manage your assets. It's your derogatory credit, it's holding cash. So all those factors really matters when you're obtaining a mortgage or a loan. However, when you do have an experienced mortgage broker that can educate you and prepare you, those all factors can be fixable and we can make it as seamless as possible.
We try to simplify the lending process. There's no surprises. This is a big purchase, probably the biggest purchase you'll ever make in your life. You should know all the facts, right? So we give that all to you before you get in a car, before you fall in love with the house and figure out you bought something over your budget. As far as my team, they're amazing. They're a great staff, they're organized. They're gonna be doing everything possible to communicate with you through the entire process so you know exactly what you need to get closed on time and make this a simple process.
One of the core strengths of Florida Mortgage Solutions Group is the quality of their customer service. Unlike other institutions that treat their clients like a series of numbers on a spreadsheet, Mike and his team go above and beyond.
It was important for me to get a home loan because this is the American dream, and I wanted it, and I needed help to fulfill that dream. And Florida Mortgage Solutions made it happen for me. They made it fast and easy because they simplify everything. I was able to go online, upload what I have to upload. In one conversation, I was able to pretty much get everything done.
The reputation of Florida Mortgage, I think, stands very high. Me personally, I work with Florida Mortgage Solutions since 2015, and I can tell you that we have extensive and great relationships with multiple lenders until today and with our borrowers. So I think the actions speak for themselves.
I love this business because I can help people. I see them in a bad, tough situation or need cash, but what I do see is they take a little bit of down payment and we make their dreams come true, right? Nothing more rewarding than to buy somebody, give them the keys to their first home, and then they call me back 3 or 4 years and they have equity and we're buying house number 2, house number 3, and I believe I have clients for life. Florida Mortgage Solutions Group, in the future, I see us helping our past clients first and foremost, and then expanding to new clientele as we go. And land development, new construction, and we're doing reverse mortgages and helping all the consumers buy a home. Making home ownership possible is really our goal.
To find out more about Florida Mortgage Solutions Group, visit mtg-solutions.com and designingspaces.tv.